The 2023 vintage is looking full of promise and quality for winery owner Jodie Marsh, and she's hopeful that this year she'll find a home for it.
The last 3 months we've had increased correspondence and calls from people in China interested in importing our wine. It was quite a flurry.
China was Australia's largest wine export market, with sales surpassing $1.2 billion a year, before tariffs halted trade in 2020 and devastated local growers. Miss Marsh lost 20 to 30% of her exports overnight.
I'd have to say that I think I shed a tear or two in fear about the business, and because it is a family business, so we were worried.
But recent news that Chinese tariffs on Australian barley could soon be eased has lifted the wine industry's spirits.
We are hopeful that if things go well in that barley discussion, that might provide a kind of template for Australian government to work with China to resolve some of the trade impediments that we're seeing in wine.
It's a promising development for big exporters, like the Brown Brothers winery at Millawa in northeast Victoria.
We have to be optimistic, and to have the conversations now being open between our governments is exciting for us that these tariffs could be turned around.
Despite a level of optimism among growers, many are nervous about reinvesting in China and will be cautious about putting all their eggs back into one basket.
We're going to have to go in there and look at potentially a new strategy of the product mix that we send over.
She has her fingers crossed the market will reopen by the end of the year. Eden Hennanen, ABC News.